Upper Niagara River. Got a wind warning coming on this afternoon. Winds up to 50 miles an hour. Water's not bad right now, lots of ducks. The lake is wide open. Everything that was out there must have sunk, or it just piled up somewhere, but I can't find it. More winds tomorrow, even higher, up to 60 miles an hour. The water's probably going to get dirty. Then we're going back in the deep freeze, get ready for ice fishing. Duck season just closed, that's why there's so many. Good spot for trout right here. Good spot for summertime walleye also. Lots of bass all up through here in the summer. Updated reports all the time, fishing Niagara. Check it out. Go fly a kite today. Good luck. Go fishing.